Okay, guys. I'm gonna get rid of the depths with my little bro at because yeah, you can hear him there, but I'm on mute because I'm gonna get this rod of the depths, and I already got everything I needed. So yeah, let's get it. Yo, say what's up to the vlog, little bro.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Yeah, so he doesn't have a YouTube channel, but yeah, I'm gonna get the rod of the depths, little bro.
Yeah, I literally spent all of my money because of that.
And the worst part
You
is,
spent all of your money too, right?
yeah, okay, fine, I will admit it. I'll bet, let's go.
Wait. Let me just try to get this void that comes right here.
But I'm gonna go
Wait for
now,
me,
okay?
wait
I'm
for
gonna
me.
go.
Dog, wait, you're gonna actually die.
What do you mean I'm gonna die? Little bro, just go now.
Dog, did you even unlock your, what's that called? Best scenario?
Of course, bro, I'm prepared.
Is it complete?
Little bro, of course.
But,
But the problem is, it look.
why am I screaming like this?
Bro, I'm gonna go first, okay? I'm gonna go first.
Did you unlock it already?
Heck no. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Dog, you have to go to a maze, alright?
Huh? Where am I gonna go to a maze?
Yeah, if you're going to get rid of the death, you have to go to a maze.
Do I need tidebreakers?
Yeah.
Oh.
You
Wait.
have one?
Yeah, of course, duh.
You go first. Try to
Yo!
pray for me. Oh, you killed me.
Huh? I killed you?
Dog, I didn't even know. The times will get deleted.
Oh, I didn't even know. Alright, bet. I'ma go now, bro.
Dog, someone took $2,000 from me.
$2,000 is crazy. Yo, there's an ancient depth serpent. Let me catch this.
Wait, where's the thing again? Where's it at?
What do you mean tingalingaling? Let me catch this ancient depth serpent real quick.
Wait, where is it actually?
Bro, it's just right here in the depths.
No, where's like the ancient depths, like the isolate?
What do you mean isolate? You know what? I'm not gonna catch this, bro. I'm gonna take forever to catch.
Dog, I got to rejoin.
Little bro needs to rejoin. Guys, I'm gonna get this now.
Now, can you do it on your own?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it now.
Bet.
Guys, I'm about to do this in 2025. Oh! Do you need to go first into the waterfall?
Yeah.
Where do
Not
you
near the
go?
merchant, not near the merchant. You need to go to the waterfall near the statue.
What do you mean near the statue? I don't see any statues.
What do you mean? You don't see the abyssal capsule?
I only see the Hexted.
Wait for me.
Oh, here's the Hexted.
No, wait for me.
I don't see the Abyssal.
Wait for me, I said.
Okay.
Literally said like, wait for me for like 10 times.
Oh, but I only see the Abyssal. I mean the Hexted. That's why I'm gonna wait for you and get this goofy looking skibidi ancient depth serpent.
Just wish for it for a while.
Oh,
There's
this
like no timer for that, bro.
Bro, I don't even have the bait for it.
Go down.
Yo, James just joined. Yeah.
Not like you need more help for the maze. You need my help for the maze, little kid. Dog, Zealous.
What?
You know do you have magic thread?
Yeah, right? Yo, it's gone! I'll wait for you.
How many magic threads do you have?
What?
How many magic threads do you have?
I have no idea.
Dog, I have 4, 5, 6.
Bro, what the fudge? Shut up.
Shut you. Nibidang.
Bro, you shut your shinibidia.
You shut your shibida.
Are you saying magic thread? Because I don't see one.
Where's the one for that?
Bro, I don't see any magic thread. I only see enchantment. Enchant.
How many? How many?
What do you mean how many?
How many ancient things do you have?
Ancient 46. Oh, I actually got 450 magic threads. You little shnibidi. Bro, I got like I saw the hex dead, but now I don't see the freaking abyssal.
Wait for me! Let me try to find like a random whirlpool.
Yeah, let me use the tide breakers on the waterfall.
Dog, I said literally.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for you.
Don't you get what's wait for me?
Dog, I'm waiting for you, okay? You schneebity.
Dog, there's literally no. Dog, there's literally no. There's no. There's no whirlpool. Dog.
What? Bro, where's this?
Dog, wait, I'm trying to find the whirlpool.
Bro, I only see.
Trying to find a random one. Where was she? Where were you? Like,
Bro, is it like, bro, how do I get this schneebity? I'm so excited to get this lil, bro. Oh, finally. Bro, why do I gotta wait for you?
Hello, guys. So this is how you get the new Rod in the Death Skinner water. First off, we're going to use the Hex and Abyssal Intent. These guys got Hex in there, we're looking at Red Pinio, and the Abyssal, I like the Blue. That unlock this secret.
there's there.
Yeah, I'm here.
And the
Oh, I'm trying to find the whirlpool in the water.
This is the quickest way to obtain the Hex and Abyssal relics, so you can be a step closer. What's up, guys? It's Big.
I'm literally watching a tutorial how to get this thing.
How can I get to Terrapin Island?
Another.
Bro, is it really in Terrapin Island?
How did I even get here?
Yo, it's James.
You going where are you?
The depths. I'm getting rid of the depths.
Yo, Cyrus, do you want to get the heavens rat?
I'm alright with that, little bro. I need no life rod.
Okay. I'm just asking, bye.
Okay.
Dog, I can't find the whirlpool anymore.
Boys, I literally saw one real.
Where?
I don't know.
Near what island?
I don't know.
Near.
I mean, near. What do you mean near?
Near.
Bro, how do I find this snibidi real?
Therapy.
What do you mean?
Remember what that one meme that you made?
Oh, yeah.
If you need therapy, if you need help, you need
Oh,
to...
actually, I don't need help, bro. I don't need help. I don't need help now. I'm alright.
Nah, bro, still gonna help you.
Okay, I'm gonna put the hexted right there. And I'll
About
put...
the abyssal.
I found it already. I found it.
I found two.
And abyss right there.
They're brand new.
Oh, it's right here.
Dog, I'll help you in the maze. Wait, just wait for me. Just wait for me in the maze.
Actually, I don't care. I'm gonna go now.
Dog, wait. Actually,
What we're doing?
you don't know where the directions are.
Wait, I know it says right here. Is it right here? Oh, it didn't. Where's...
Dog, just wait for me. You don't know how to solve the maze. Dog, do you even know?
Nuh-uh.
Sir,
Nuh-uh.
where did you go inside?
Yeah.
Dog, you should have waited for me.
Oh, yeah. Shoot.
You're gonna die.
Well, I will try to find this.
Wait, what type of diving gear are you using?
Of course, advance. Whoa.
I'm gonna try to find you.
What is this waterfall
I'm
at?
trying to find you.
Yo, this is why I hate mazes, bro. Look, do I lose money when I... Bro, wait, do I lose money when I die?
What?
Do I lose money when I die?
What?
Do I lose money when I die?
Wait, did you die?
No, I'm just saying. Yo, stop!
There. So. Oh, this is...
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
Wait.
Bro, where's it?
Dog, I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to help you, kid. This is the part that I was confused.
Is it right here? Not there. Wait, is this it?
Look above.
Yes, I did it! I did it!
Let's go.
Yo, I got it! Let me get this big boy. Let's go! rods of the depths. Hmm. And now I'm gonna reset myself.
Now we have to solve it again
Oh my gosh.
to get out.
Bro, this is so hard. I don't wanna solve it again.
Dog, it's here.
Dog, it ain't here. Hmm.
My bad.
Bro. Can you not kill yourself? I mean, Wong. Can you not like poof yourself in here?
I think you can.
Like, because that's the only easy way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna oof myself. I'm gonna leave and drink back.
Now, boy, no, where's it?
Bro. Guys, thank you for watching. Oh, wait! Wait. Bro, right after, bro, the fish, bro, it just updated.
What?
Oh my
Wait,
god.
what type of update did it got?
The Valentine's Day. Oh, by the way,
For real?
happy Valentine's Day.